If you want to make $24 additional income per day by using nothing but AI, then watch this video. This is going to be awesome for everyone who hates their job or want a side hustle apart from their main hustle, and you have some like 1 hour to maximum 2 hours per day. And in fact, you can make much more than just 24 hours per day. Then stay tuned. For this example, I'm going to use this awesome video. There are things to learn from this video as well as how I make money. So let's go.
Out of all the YouTube videos that get uploaded, some get attention, millions of views, and a high audience retention, and others, well, they don't. And
I know what you're saying. Mosh, I'm here to make money. What's in this YouTube video? I don't care views. Give me money. I'll share the reason in a moment. But before that, how do we use AI? So step number 1, go to the description and click the show transcript. And you'll find the transcript at the right hand side. Copy the whole transcript. Now go to ChatGPT and use my custom GPT. Or you can just provide instructions to ChatGPT and that's good enough. Put the whole transcript with timestamps, remember that. And when you hit enter, you will get the summary of the video step by step, the business model in 20 words, standard operating procedure for you if you want to use this model or these systems in order to get similar results. And I don't know if you noticed, this whole analysis is giving the timestamps where this topic is discussed in the video, so you can go and find it. It also writes an article, a complete article. It gives you some other interesting stuff and creates AI images for your article. Now you understand this video is useful for people who need more views in their videos. Why views? I'm gonna come to that, and it's straight related to money. So yes, if you don't have time to watch a long video, then I'm going to give you this whole analysis, basically this whole step-by-step tutorial in a PDF. Find the instructions in the description or in the first comment or in the bio. Okay, then step number 1, copy the whole thing. Open your favorite document processor and paste it. You got an article and you got images. Put the images in the relevant places. And here comes the money part. It's very important. In order to deliver the PDF document, we need to host somewhere. So you go to mega.nz and create a free account. You'll get 20 gigabytes free. 20 gigabytes is a lot. Now this is very important. Take note. Before you turn this document into PDF, make sure you go to the bottom of their website and click this referral program. Referral program allows you to make up to $8,999.70. That's euro, by the way. For the video, I'm saying US dollars. Once you become an affiliate, go to this page and click create referral link. Now copy this referral link and put it in the footer. This ebook or say book is hosted in Mega. Get your free 20 gigabyte drive space. That's it. And we want to make it bold. We want to make it italic and we want to add link, put website link, and that's it. I think it's better to make the link color blue because people have a habit of seeing links as blue. Now I'm going to turn it into PDF. Just use export or save option from your document processor that you are using. I'm going to save it and it's saved, boom. Now I want to upload, click upload file, select the document, and yes, it is uploading. Uploaded in a matter of seconds. All I need is to click this little share link button, click I agree, copy the link. Now make sure it opens right for the audience. So open an incognito window, paste the link and hit enter. Okay, it works and these links are active. Guys, what I'm sharing with you is super serious and it works. People made 6 figures in affiliate commission. These are the results of my affiliates who earned $476,000, $124,000, $117,000, and tons of affiliates made 5 figures, 4 figures, and 3 figures affiliate commissions. Mega pays $8,999.70 per year maximum according to their website. If you divide it by 365 days, that will be on the average $24. Now you might be asking, who is going to upgrade from your link and how are you going to find those people? This is where the advice of this video comes in. All the tricks and tips of ranking and getting more views from YouTube is actually getting traffic. And we use AI everywhere. For example, I wanted to show you how this guy is getting click and traffic to his links. So I asked ChatGPT at which timestamp he spoke about his course and link in description. AI searched the whole transcript and told me it's at 10 minutes 39 seconds. So I would go there, 10 minutes, somewhere close to that time, and let's play.
YouTube to another platform. Maybe you're telling them to go and enroll in a course like my one if you want to. It's amazing.
So he is saying that, yeah, there is a, but just before that, he said that the link in the description, something like that. So basically, he put all his links, his cinema LUT pack, presets, and the free training, which will eventually take them to an opt-in page that will take you to a webinar, and he will sell his course or program to you. Now that makes sense? So this guy is getting all his traffic from the views he get on his video. Now he's teaching others how to do it. And I have analyzed the same thing, made it an ebook, hosted the ebook in Mega, and actually promoting Mega as an affiliate. How cool is that? Okay, long story short, in order to get traffic, you need to get views on your uploaded videos. And that's how you make money. As I know, it sounds complicated, and that's why we don't do all these things. We do simple, use AI, and learn valuable skills and information fast. Then we use that information and skills and make simple and short videos. We upload those videos on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Now these guys are in a war to get attention and views with short videos. So they send us free customers to our AI-powered automated funnel. And this funnel sells low price products, monthly subscriptions, which is recurring like monthly salary, true passive income, and high ticket offers to these customers. And that is how over 2,000 affiliates earned $0.6 million in affiliate commissions. Yeah, we paid that money to our affiliates. We earned $334,000 from monthly and annual subscriptions, $4.5 million total revenue, and tons of our beginner students earned high ticket affiliate commissions, like starting from $300, $500 to way up to $1,200. How cool is that? So yes, $24 a day is not a big deal, but it's still an additional income. But when you combine low ticket subscription revenue and high ticket affiliate commissions, then you make a lot of money. And if you want to know about our program, how we set up your personal AI software under your brand and your domain, and you earn all the money, low ticket and subscription and high ticket with AI and automated funnel, using simple short videos, then comment AWA. Let me repeat, AWA, or check the link in the bio, in the first comment, or in the description. We'll see you there.